Today we're exploring a scan by EggManXR about the Games Museum.
This is so cool. Where are we?
Not everyone's here. We're in a games museum. So the front of the shop is actually a regular game shop, near where I am, and the back of it is dedicated to this amazing retro museum setup that they've got here. Most of the stuff is like for display, but some things are for sale as well. But yeah, you can basically, I asked for their permission, and I walked around giving a bit of a scan.
Do you realize you're pushing me? This is so wild. He can push me. I'm like, I want to stay here, and the guy keeps pushing me away. I want to look at these things. Great. This is so cool.
Yeah, so on their website, they've got a 360 photo tour that you can, it's definitely, I guess, clearer in terms of the clarity, but you can't walk around, obviously, you jump between the spots that they've taken the photos for. But yeah, they do a great job of, I guess, preserving this and sharing this, and
that's so cool.
Driving some visitors to the space as well. But yeah.
That's very cool. Very cool.
Very cool.
I'm looking around to see how many of these things I still own.
I still have this Dreamcast physically here.
Yeah.
I think I saw the Virtual Boy here somewhere. Nintendo's Virtual Boy is somewhere.
Oh, really? Okay. Yeah. Oh my God, that's crazy. Yeah. Very cool.
Yeah. The Virtual Boy is, I think, maybe here's one. No, I'm not sure, but yeah.
Nice. Oh, there you go. Yeah, 3D glasses. Perfect. Okay, there you
go. To track movement and stuff, right? So.
Interesting. Well, I love the fact that I assume they have it out so you can play it if you arrange for it.
To show the kids, this is back in the days. This is what we had to put up
exactly. With. Well, I got to tell you, folks, Mike might be my age, but that's about it. We used to go to pinball palaces, right?
Oh, gosh.
And then one day they brought in this big cabinet, and they had a couple scroll wheels on it, and there was this white rectangle that bounced back and forth. and we go, boing, boing. And I got to tell you, us pinball wizards just scoffed at that. Oh my God, nobody will play that shit. Are you kidding me? That takes a quarter? No way.
Yeah, and then pinballs that are coming up with now, whereby it's like, I think you buy the game, you get this physical prop that's that you place in your room, and the pinball is projected over it and stuff like that.
No kidding. Okay.
And it has haptic feedback as well.
I got to do that. Oh, that would be awesome. That may be the only way I can show my grandkids what a pinball machine is anymore.
Other than in the museum, right? So.
Yeah, probably will be. I'll put it in the Smithsonian. Well, hey, folks, I hear the in my house, you can't hear it, but I actually hear a clock chiming, which tells me I've got 3 o'clock. So I really appreciated the opportunity to do this with you folks. I hope that you enjoyed it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Wonderful. Irenoid, thank you for arranging, and thank you for taking the effort to build that little your following and the group out there in Discord. That takes something. So
this is start of something big. Yeah. I trust me. I feel it in my bones.
Yeah, awesome. It is great. Good. Cool. I'd love to.
Thanks all.
Mike, hope to see you a little bit later today. All right. Take care, everybody.
Amen.
All right.
Cheers.
Bye now.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.